Hello lovely people, you all are once again most welcome to Tutorials Point. Well, in this video, we are going to learn about different phrases or idioms, as you would like to call them, which are related to money, right? So money is a very important aspect of our life, and as I've been repeating this thing time and again, that English is a language which has something in store for everybody, right? Be it money. I mean, English will definitely have an expression or an idiom or a phrase which could be related to any word, right? So that is the versatility of English language. So considering that money is the most important part of our life, and at the end of the day we all work for money, definitely learning about phrases which are related to money is very important, and it will be very helpful for all of us. So let's go ahead without wasting any more time. Money doesn't grow on trees. Well, haven't we grown up hearing this phrase? Of course we do. Of course we have. Now, what does this phrase mean? Well, this phrase means that I don't have spare money for anything and everything that you just demand, right? So I don't have so much money that I could just go ahead and do anything, right? So it doesn't grow on trees, or money doesn't come easy. It is hard earned. It is hard earned money. Not even if I have a lot of it, it is hard earned money. It doesn't just grow on trees and as per your wish, you can just go ahead and start spending it wherein you feel like, wherever you feel like. So if you feel that there is any discussion which requires you to use this phrase, and so of course this is the best way in which you can put your thought forward. So let's look at an example. He asked me if I could buy him a laptop, and I just told him that I could not afford it. Money doesn't grow on trees. Of course, it's not as easy. Money isn't easy. It is really hard earned. So yeah, if that is what you need to convey, use this one. Squirrel away money. What is squirrel away money? Well, to squirrel away money means to sort of hide, not exactly hide, but yeah, just keep away some amount of money without letting the other people know, and so that you could use it for a rainy day, or you could use it for any other reason, right? So that part of your money which only you're aware of and you've not told about it to anybody else, and you've just hidden it somewhere so that you could use it as when it actually is needed, instead of just wasting. That is when you squirrel away money. So definitely squirreling away money would be a great thing to do if you feel that people around would just waste your money. So let's look at an example. Luckily, I had squirreled away around $10,000. That helped me a lot during the recession. So something which you just saved for a rainy day, or something which you just hid, which wasn't aware, which other people weren't aware of, and you just saved it, you just kept it apart so that you could actually use it for a rainy day, or you could use it for any important occasion or any important situation in your life wherein you feel you really needed it. Break the bank. What does that mean, to break the bank? Well, to break the bank means to dip into your bank account and just use the entire money, just exhaust your reserves, complete your reserves of money fully and completely. That is what it means to break the bank. So if there is a situation wherein you happen to spend and you happen to break your bank, it actually means that you've exhausted all your resources of money, or you've exhausted your entire savings. That is when you happen to break the bank. So here is an example. There is no way I can go for a vacation. I can go on a vacation to Miami. I need to break my bank just to buy the tickets, which means I'll have to use all my money just to buy the tickets, right? So I'll have to exhaust all my savings just to buy the tickets. To be flat broke. Well, to be flat broke means to be to go bankrupt completely, to sort of a situation wherein you're done with all your savings, you've spent all your money somehow or the other, and now you have nothing left to support your financial needs. That is when you're flat broke, and definitely not a very good situation to be in. With this salary, I'm always flat broke by the end of the month. I think I need to find another job. Well, if you think you also become flat broke by the end of the month, that you also are flat broke by the end of the month, please go ahead and find alternatives so that you don't need to, or so that you're not in a situation wherein you are flat broke and you can spend as and when you wish to. The last but not the least, yet another phrase which is associated with money is bread and butter. Now, what is bread and butter? The primary source of your earning is called as the bread and butter. So, I mean, any particular job or any particular thing could be your bread and butter, right? So, your primary source of earning is what is actually referred to as your bread and butter. Although I like writing novels, being a banker is my bread and butter. So that is, being a banker is where I earn all my money from. So that is what you mean by saying this. So if you feel there is any particular place which is the primary source of your income, that is when it is your bread and butter. Well, I'm sure all these phrases will enhance your vocabulary, will help you upskill your English, and the moment you start using them in your daily language, it definitely is going to be very, very helpful. So I will see you again in the next video. Till that time, keep learning with tutorials, Point and Tutorics. Have a good day.